Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. We're going to do something a little different. Thing's freaking heavy. This is a Dell laptop. It's a quite massive one. What I want to do is install Windows Vista on it. I don't know if this is going to work. I had to do a flash drive because I don't actually have any DVDs anywhere, and a DVD usually takes pretty long to install something anyway. So let's actually see if this will work. This is a Dell Precision M6400. Sticker on the back is a license for Windows Vista, so I figured this would work, and I think it's Windows Vista Business or something like that, so I do have a product key we can try, and then we're going to stick flash drive in. I do believe the laptop works. Last time I tested it, it worked fine. It is very old, and the battery, I think, holds somewhat of a charge. There is that. I gotta plug it in. This thing is beefy, like it's actually ridiculous. Basically what this laptop's gonna be used for is to look at software from this era, if that makes sense. That was my goal anyway. I'm not really sure why the battery light is blinking. So let's fire this thing up and we're gonna hop into the boot menu. I believe it's F12 with a Dell if I remember right. I do believe the keyboard is backlit too on this thing, so that's interesting. Right, I gotta change the, I need to change the battery in it because the CMOS battery is dead. I think you guys are level now, so we should be good. I don't actually know if it's going to let us install Windows Vista, but this video is literally just going to be us installing Windows Vista on this Dell Precision M6400. And then I'm going to use it for future videos. I might try to get the stickers off it. They're pretty old. There's already an SSD in it, so we're just going to probably just wipe it. I don't think there's even anything on it. I went to go boot it, and it's got like a, I think it had like Medicat on it or something. I actually don't remember. But I've never actually owned a Windows Vista computer, so I do need to get a picture of the license key, which I think I already did. All right, so the license key worked, which is good because I actually didn't have another one laying around. We're gonna go ahead and accept the terms. Again, I'm not sure why the battery's blinking. I think the battery is just completely shot in this thing, if I had to guess. We're gonna have to do a custom install because I think we need to wipe the drive. Yes, it is Medicat, so we're gonna do drive options. Now, this is only a 128 gig SSD, but keyword it being an SSD, gonna be much faster than a hard drive. We're going to install Windows. I don't know how long this is going to take. All right, it looks like we are finally rebooting. It actually didn't take too long. I'd say it took about 5 minutes max. I don't think it took anything longer than that. I'm going to unplug the flash drive so it doesn't try to boot from it again. I'm actually glad this worked because I don't have any CDs laying around, or at least not any that I could have found. I'm sure I have some laying around somewhere. I just don't know where they are. Alrighty, we rebooted one last time. It did take a minute. It was on a black screen for a minute, but I hope we do boot into Vista this time. That's the hope anyway. We did. We're going to do Sargents Tech Tips. I don't really need a password, to be honest with you. We're going to do STT Vista PC. Choose your desktop background. I forgot you could do it like this. Let's do this one. I did actually use Vista for a while on an older computer, and I didn't hate it. It wasn't the greatest OS, but it wasn't the most worst either. So we are Eastern time. Thank you. I don't know about drivers. That might be a separate video where I actually have to go through and find all the drivers because I have zero clue where any of these drivers are. Oh wow, I have not installed Windows Vista in a long time. This is bringing back some memories. It is checking our performance. It says, please wait while Windows checks your computer's performance. I think this has an NVIDIA GPU in it. I don't remember, but I do know it's a Core 2 Duo. I don't remember which one, but it's like perfect for this era. And if it does have a GPU in it, there's a chance I could play some games on it. So that'll be pretty cool to check out. This is supposed to be a laptop workstation too, which is wild because I'm pretty sure it's only a dual core. So it's not gonna be doing much workstation stuff. I've never actually messed around with Windows Vista Business either, so that'll be interesting to see if there's anything different compared to like Home Premium or Ultimate. I caught it just in time. That's amazing. It just took a while to do that. Oh, that brings back so many memories. We got 2 gigs of RAM. I might actually have to update that because 2 gigs of RAM is not gonna do it. I want at least 8. We got a Core 2 Duo 29600, 2.8 gigahertz STT Vista PC. We got the frickin' widgets. Oh, this is actually quite cool. I have not messed around with Windows Vista in a while. Maybe what I'll do is we're gonna try to get the video drivers installed, and then I think I'm gonna do a video on going through Windows Vista and checking it out. In terms of connecting to the internet, I do have an Ethernet cable I can connect to it, but I think to keep things simple is I'm gonna try to find the video drivers or the network drivers for this. I want to try to find the the network drivers for this. It looks like it's a Broadcom system. Look at that, 2 cores, baby, 2 cores, but we do have an SSD 840 EVO, so yeah, that's perfect for this system. We need Broadcom drivers. We don't even have an Ethernet driver, so I got to figure that out. I might honestly just go to Dell's website and try to download all the drivers for this. We definitely do need to do a Windows 7 video at some point. This would be a good Windows 7 system too. Maybe I'll just throw another SSD in it and we'll install Windows 7 on it. It would be cool to do like a whole Windows 7 video where I'm installing Windows 7. I do miss Windows Vista. weirdly enough. Alrighty, I was able to put the drivers on this flash drive, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this into a different USB port to make sure that USB port works. Looks like it's installing the driver. All right, File Explorer isn't just on the taskbar for some reason. Wait, do I have to go to computer? No, I don't want to format the disk. Why do I have to format the disk? If I format it here, macOS won't be able to read it. I downloaded them on my MacBook because I don't have my Windows laptop right now. Bro, I don't remember how to use Windows Vista. It's been so long. Okay, plug it back into the MacBook. See if I can reformat it to something that Windows will like. There we go. I did not want to have to reinstall the flash drive or go get a laptop. So let's do the Intel drivers. We want Dell drivers. View. Setup. Yes.
Nope.
So you don't work either?
Nope.
Why did I have a feeling this was going to happen? It says it's for Windows Vista. What do you mean? I don't know. I installed the right drivers. There's only one driver. Oh, I need them for, I have them set for Windows XP. What about you? I think this is what I want. Network interface, allow,
Nope.
install.
Nope.
Okay, or not. What about you? Can the video drivers work? I just threw that by accident. Inventory collection failed. But what does that mean? Is this what using Windows Vista was like? What do you mean archive not found? C, what does that mean? I think since 2009, I gotta fix that. Oh, we're making some progress. I don't actually know if it's gonna work, this network driver. I hope it does, because it's a really bad headache. Oh, I just saw that blink. Oh, we got progress. Networks are available. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, archive not found. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're connecting to my internet. Save this network. Yes, we are connected to the internet. It's identifying. I think it's trying to get an IP address. The network connection in this room isn't great, so hopefully it gets a little bit better. So the old net's working. Turn out Explorer. We have 64-bit version. Let's try that. Go to google.com. Okay. How do I get a browser? I think we're going to end the video there. If you guys want to see more videos on this laptop, especially us installing the video drivers, I was going to do that, but unfortunately I can't get those drivers to work. And I doubt I can even get to NVIDIA's website on here. I don't think their website's going to load. If you guys want to see more videos on this laptop, please let me know in the comments below. I do want to start doing videos on looking at old computers and stuff and messing around with them. I haven't done a video like that in forever. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.